Welcome to your new board. If you don't already have a Trello account, you'll need to sign up to access your Trello board. The board has three main lists: New Request List, In Progress List, and Completed List. Starting your project. Let's kick things off by using the New Project Request form in the Useful Tools list. Open your Trello board, spot the Useful Tools list, and click on New Project Request form. Just fill in the details, hit Submit, and see your project appear in the New Request list. It's that easy. Effective communication. Keeping connected is key. Let's look at how Trello's comment section makes communication a breeze. Navigate to the comment section of any project card. Simply type @ to quickly bring up a suggestion shortcut. Select @FourSeven Creative from the drop-down and then add your message. To add more context, you can easily drag and drop images directly into the comment section. Attaching visuals or notes in comments is a fantastic way to enhance clarity and track feedback effectively. Once sent, it ensures instant notifications, keeping the team up to date. Activating your project. Next up, we'll guide you through activating your project. It's important to note that only one project can be in progress at a time unless you're signed up for the collective plan. Go back to the main board and drag your project card to the In Progress list to get things rolling. Completing and transitioning projects. After completing a project, the transition to your next task is seamless. We automatically move the next project from your New Request list to In Progress list, based on priority. Finished with a project? Simply drag its card to the Completed list. This action frees up space for the next project in the In Progress list, keeping your workflow smooth and consistent. Remember, you can always reorder projects in the New Request list to adjust their priority. We prioritize work by the order of projects, with the highest priority at the top. Notifications and alerts. In Trello, you're kept in the loop with customizable notifications for various activities, such as when someone mentions you or updates a card you're involved with. You can easily adjust how and when you receive these alerts by exploring the Settings menu on the upper right corner. For on-the-go updates and a more connected experience, remember to download the Trello app on your mobile device. It's a great way to stay engaged and informed about your projects wherever you are. You're now equipped to start projects, communicate with ease, actively work on them, and smoothly transition them to completion. For more helpful guides and tips, please refer to the FAQ card under Useful Tools list.